Dental bridges are a typical dental procedure to substitute some or all missing teeth. They're actually a false tooth or teeth which are fixed by the use of a dental bridge that is attached to adjacent dental implants or teeth. There are many different kinds of dental bridges, each one having its own advantages and drawbacks. In this clip, we'll explore the various kinds of bridges used in dentistry and talk about the benefits and drawbacks of each. The traditional dental bridge is the most commonly used kind of bridge in the field of dentistry. They comprise false teeth or dental implants fixed in position by crowns which are cemented onto natural teeth each side of the gap. The bridges are sturdy and durable and will endure for years provided they are maintained. They do, however, necessitate that the natural teeth be cleaned to make the bridges fit, which could be problematic to some patients. They are similar to traditional bridges, however, instead of being fixed to two sides, they're only attached to a single natural tooth. This could be beneficial for situations in which there's just one adjacent tooth that's strong enough to sustain the bridge. But cantilever bridges do not have the same stability as conventional bridges and can be more vulnerable to breaking out of alignment or damaging the tooth supporting it. Maryland bridges are also referred as resin-bonded bridges, offer a less invasive option that doesn't need the tooth's natural ones to be cut down. The false tooth is held by the wings of either porcelain or steel connected to the back of nearby teeth. Maryland bridges require less effort as traditional bridges. However, they're less durable and are not ideal for filling larger gaps or supporting more hefty chewing forces. Implant-supported bridges offer a newer and more sophisticated option for the replacement of missing teeth. They are not attached to neighboring teeth bridges supported by dental implants, which are surgically inserted into the jawbone. Dental implant-supported bridges offer the best and durable choice, as aid in preventing osteoporosis and protect the health of adjacent teeth. They are, however, the costliest option and will require a more lengthy duration of treatment. There are various types of dental bridges that are available, and each has its particular advantages and drawbacks. Your dentist will collaborate together to choose which bridge is best that meets your particular needs and budget. It doesn't matter if you opt for a conventional bridge, cantilever bridge, as well as a Maryland bridge, or an implant-supported one. Making your smile look better with a dental bridge will enhance your dental health and boost confidence.